Linear streamlines project management for teams with customizable workflows. Let's begin by exploring choosing a style. Select your preferred theme style, then click Continue. Now let's explore the next topic, copying an invitation link. Click the Continue button. After this, let's walk through subscribing to updates. Opt in for updates, then click Continue. Now, let's explore the next topic, sorting search results. Filter issues with Update. Next, choose Last Updated to sort. Then, view Resorted issues. Following this, we'll move on to expanding an issue. First, click the Create Issue button. Then, review and click again to save. Coming up next, we'll dive into formatting text. Select the text to format it. Next, click the Bold Format button. Then, create the issue. Finally, the issue is added to the active list. The next feature we'll cover is adding a status. Click the Status button. Next, choose a new status. Finally, the status updates to In Progress. Following this, we'll move on to adding an assignee. Click the Assignee button. Then pick an assignee from the drop-down. After that, the issue is assigned to your chosen user. Coming up next, we'll dive into adding a due date. Click to set a due date. Next, pick a custom option. Then choose a date from the calendar. After that, save the selected date. Finally, see the due date set in the issue. Next up, let's take a closer look at adding a link. Click the More Options button. Next, select Link to URL from the menu. Then enter the URL and title. After that, click the Add Link button. Finally, see the link titled Payment Issues Attached. Following this, we'll move on to adding a sub-issue. Click the More Options button. Next, select Add Sub-Issue from the menu. Then enter the issue title. After that, click the Create Sub-Issue button. Finally, see the sub-issue listed within the parent issue. Now let's explore the next topic, adding an attachment. Click the attachment icon. Next, select a file to attach. Then the file is attached successfully. Click Create Issue to save. Next up, let's take a closer look at duplicating an issue. Open the Issue menu, select Make a Copy, click Save Copy. See your duplicated issue. Moving forward, let's see how copying an issue link is done. Select Copy from the menu. Then choose Copy URL. Finally, the URL is copied to the clipboard. Next up, let's take a closer look at adding a reminder. Open the context menu and choose Remind Me. Next, pick a reminder time. Then, confirm the reminder set. Finally, continue working on the issue. Following this, we'll move on to deleting an issue. Select Delete from the options. Confirm deletion in the modal. Issue is deleted. You can restore or navigate elsewhere. Moving forward, let's see how reacting to a comment is done. See a comment? Add a reaction. Hover to reveal actions. Choose an emoji. Reaction added. After this, let's walk through mentioning a member. View an issue ticket and click to prepare a reply. Next, type @ in the reply field to mention someone. Then, a mention drop-down appears. After that, type AL to search for a user. Moving on, select a user from the list. Finally, post the comment mentioning the user. Moving forward, let's see how marking a thread as resolved is done. You're viewing an issue with comments. Next, choose to resolve the thread. Finally, the thread is marked as resolved. Right next, let's check out adding a new label. Click the Labels field. Next, type in the Add Labels field. Then, select Create New Label. Finally, your new label is added. After this, let's walk through adding an issue to Cycle. Click the Cycle icon to assign a sub-issue. Next, pick an option from the drop-down. Then, see the issue status update. Following this, we'll move on to marking all notifications as read. Click the Options icon to manage notifications. Next, choose to mark all as read. Finally, view no unread notifications. The next feature we'll cover is filtering notifications. In your inbox, click the Filter icon. Next, choose Notification Type. Then select Issue Assignment. After that, click the filter bar again. Next, pick Project. Then select Payment Gateway Integration 2.0. Finally, view notifications filtered by type and project. After this, let's walk through snoozing a notification. Click the snooze icon to manage your notifications. Next, pick a snooze duration from the list. Finally, see it's successfully snoozed. Up next, let's discover how assigned issues works. View issues assigned to you. Next, filter by labels. Then see issues tagged third party. Coming up next, we'll dive into adding an icon. Click the project icon placeholder. Next, type in the search icons field. Then, click the desired icon. Finally, see the selected icon on the new project modal. Right next, let's check out adding milestones. Click the milestones tag. Enter the first milestone name. Add a milestone. Enter the next milestone name. Create the project. Milestones are now added. Moving forward, let's see how subscribing to project notifications is done. On the project page, click the notifications icon. Next, select a new project update is posted. Then, click outside to close the popover. Finally, return to the main page. Right next, let's check out posting an update. On the project overview page, click the updates icon. Next, click the field to write a project update. Then, draft the update and click to post it. After that, the update appears in the feed. Moving on, click the comments label. Finally, view and respond to comments in the thread. Now, let's explore the next topic, changing a project status. Start by filtering issues. Choose the assignee filter. Select the current user. Now, view issues assigned to you. Next, navigate to the project page. Finally, expand the comments section. Moving forward, let's see how selecting a filter is done. Select the More options for high priority. Next, choose Edit. Then, remove the Priority is High filter. After that, confirm removing the filter. Moving on, save the view changes. Finally, see the updated view list with the new filter icon. Moving forward, let's see how editing a view is done. On the main views page, select the More options icon for high priority. Next, choose Edit. Then remove the Priority is High filter. After that, confirm the filter is gone. Moving on, hit Cancel to discard changes. Finally, return to the main views page. Next up, let's take a closer look at changing project owner. On the main screen, open the options for the high priority view. Next, select Owner from the menu. Then choose a new owner. After that, the view's owner is updated. Next, open the high priority view. Finally, return to the main screen. Following this, we'll move on to moving a view. Open the context menu and choose Move To. Next, select Personal for your view. Then, see the high priority view in Personal Views. Finally, check the new owner. Moving forward, let's see how Teams is done. On the dashboard, view the Teams section. Next, open the context menu and move to Personal. Then see your updated personal views. Next up, let's take a closer look at creating a Favorites folder. On the dashboard, right-click Favorites. Next, select Create Folder. Then enter the folder name. After that, press Enter to save. Finally, see High Impact created under Favorites. Now let's explore the next topic, favoriting a page. Select the issues for your organization. Next, expand the Issues section in the sidebar. Then view the teams and find the Favorites input field. After that, create the favorite view by pressing Enter. Finally, see the new favorite view listed in the sidebar. Next up, let's take a closer look at Issues Insights. Explore project issues in Linear. Next, view Status Insights in the sidebar. Then pick Issue Age to measure. After that, see Age by Assignee. Moving on, hover for detailed percentages. Finally, filter by assignee to focus on specific tasks. Right next, let's check out filtering issues. Start with a list view of all issues. Next, open the Display Options menu. Then, switch to a Kanban board view. After that, close the menu. Moving on, view issue distribution by assignee. Finally, filter issues by the selected assignee. Next up, let's take a closer look at switching to board view. Start by viewing a list of issues. Next, open the display options and select Board. Then, see issues in a Kanban board by status. Finally, interact with the board. Coming up next, we'll dive into cycles. Navigate to the Introducing Initiatives link. Next, view the new feature details in the modal. Then, scroll to see more information. Following this, we'll move on to what's new. Check out the new Initiatives feature. Next, explore detailed changelog notes and visuals. Then, see more on the feature before closing. Right next, let's check out searching help. Type in the search field for shortcuts. Next, filter shortcuts related to issues. Then search help for account deletion topics. Moving forward, let's see how searching shortcuts is done. Open the Shortcuts panel and search. Next, see filtered shortcuts to use instantly. The next feature we'll cover is contacting support. Click your workspace logo. Next, the logo update is successful. Moving forward, let's see how uploading a logo is done. On the Workspace Settings page, click Delete this workspace. Enter the deletion code sent to your email. Check the box to acknowledge permanent deletion. Click Delete my workspace. A confirmation appears. Choose to dismiss or cancel. Following this, we'll move on to deleting a workspace. We're on the Workspace Settings page. Next, correct the workspace URL format. Then click Update. After that, confirm the URL change. Finally, see the updated settings with a success notification. Moving forward, let's see how updating workspace info is done. We're updating workspace info. Click the URL field. Enter a new URL. Click Update. Confirm the change. Success. The URL is saved. In the next section, we'll explore how adding a domain works. On the Members Settings page, click Invite People. Enter the new member's email. Open the Invite As dropdown. Choose a role for the member. Click Send Invites. Confirm the invitation. The new user appears as a guest with pending status. After this, let's walk through inviting a guest. Create a new label under Issue by typing Open. Click the Input field. Then click the color picker. Select Green from the palette. Save your new label. Next, move to the Members settings. Finally, manage members or invite someone new. Moving forward, let's see how deleting a label is done. First, click Delete Label. Next, confirm deletion. Finally, the label is removed. Now let's explore the next topic, reordering a status. Reorder project statuses effortlessly. Next, use the drag handle to move in review. Then, drag it above completed. Finally, in review is now above completed. Coming up next, we'll dive into creating a new template. Start on the Templates page and click Create Template. Next, enter the template name. Then fill out all necessary details and click Create. Finally, view the new template listed. Now let's explore the next topic, starting a free trial. Toggle to monthly pricing. Next, click Start a free trial. Then, confirm by clicking Start Trial. After that, your business plan trial is active. Up next, let's discover how uploading an emoji works. On the Settings page, click Export CSV. Next, a confirmation appears with download details. In the next section, we'll explore how exporting issue data works. Enable Figma integration in Settings. Integration successfully enabled. After this, let's walk through enabling an integration. Access your profile settings to update your avatar. Use the zoom slider to adjust the image. Save your changes by clicking the Crop Picture button. Wait for the upload to complete. Confirm the saved changes with the notification. Your avatar is now updated. Next up, let's take a closer look at uploading a profile picture. Click the profile picture. Next, drag the slider to zoom in on the picture. Then, click the Crop Picture button. After that, wait for the picture to upload. Moving on, click the Close button to dismiss the notification. Finally, your profile picture is updated. In the next section, we'll explore how changing email works. On the Profile Settings page, click the Email field. Next, enter your new email in the modal. Then, click to check for existing accounts. After that, send the verification link. Moving on, dismiss the success notification. Finally, check your inbox to verify the change. Up next, let's discover how changing username works. On the Profile Settings page, click the Full Name field. Next, update the full name and click the Username field. Then update the username and click the Email field. After that, a Saved notification confirms your update. Moving on, a verification email is sent. Finally, verify changes in your email. After this, let's walk through switching to dark mode. Enable desktop notifications easily. Next, configure issue mentions alerts. Then, set up comment reaction alerts. After that, your notifications are customized. Up next, let's discover how updating notification settings works. Enable Slack notifications. Next, enable desktop notifications. Then, customize alerts for new reactions. Finally, Settings are saved automatically. Next up, let's take a closer look at changing time zone. On the Settings page, click the Time Zone drop-down. Next, pick a new time zone from the list. Then, confirm the time zone update. Moving forward, let's see how enabling cycles is done. View the back-end team's issues page. Next, switch to the Active Issues view. Then, open the Team Settings menu. After that, scroll down to view more options. Moving on, make the team public. Next, confirm your action by entering the required phrase. Then, finalize the public setting change. Finally, see the updated team settings. After this, let's walk through changing a team to public. Start at the back-end team's All Issues view. Next, open the Active Issues view. Then, access the team settings via the menu. After that, scroll to find the visibility options. Then, click to make the team public. Next, type the required confirmation phrase. After that, confirm the change. Finally, see the team is now public and exit settings. Coming up next, we'll dive into deleting a team. Log in to accept the invitation. Choose Email for authentication. Enter your email. Check your email for the code. Join the workspace. Wait for the process. An error shows. Go back. Now on the main dashboard, dismiss the tooltip. Now let's explore the next topic, accepting a team invitation. Click Log in to accept the team invitation. Choose Continue with Email. Enter your email. Check your email for the login link. Click Join for your organization. Wait for the process to complete. If you see an error, click Go Back. Finally, explore the dashboard and click OK to dismiss the pop-up. In the next section, we'll explore how logging out works. On the main dashboard for your organization, click Log Out. Next, you're on the Login page, click Continue with Email. Then, enter your email. After that, check your email for the login link. Moving on, select the workspace and click Join. Then, wait for the request to process. Next, click Go Back if the invitation is accepted. Finally, dismiss the pop-up to start using the dashboard. In the next section, we'll explore how logging in works. We're on the Login page. Click Continue with Email. Enter your email, then click Continue with Email. Finally, check your email for a login link. Let's walk through searching integrations, marketing, filter integrations by engineering. Select GitHub integration. Review details to add GitHub. Now let's explore the next topic, filtering integrations. Explore integrations with Linear. Next, scroll for more categories. Then filter by bug reporting to see relevant apps. Right next, let's check out all features. We're on the website. Click Product. Next, pick Plan. Then, explore sub-features on the Plan page. In the next section, we'll explore how pricing works. See our pricing plans. Business is highlighted. Next, compare usage and features across plans. Finally, scroll to see SSO and support details. In the next section, we'll explore how searching docs works. We're on the main page. Click the search field. Then, enter your query. Next, select a result. Finally, view the documentation. In the next section, we'll explore how docs detail works. Explore the linear docs. Select Start Guide. Next, expand Start Guide and choose Download Linear. Then, view Download Linear page, click FAQ. Finally, scroll to the FAQ section. After this, let's walk through Download. We're on the website, then choose your download option. Linear streamlines project management for teams seeking efficiency and collaboration.